Hi guys, Danny here. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve a quick, cute hairstyle for going swimming in your Sisterlocks. This style should work either way because it is still braided and banded. So let's get to it. The first step is you're going to section your hair along the middle, and my mirror is here, so I'm just going to look into the mirror. And I like to keep my hair up when I am going to the beach, because then if I don't want to get it wet, it's easier if it's up on top of my head for the most part. But if I do want to get it wet, this method still keeps it safe. I'm going to use a hair clip, and I'm just going to separate the front part of my hair kind of to my ear. Okay. So I have this back section of my hair loose, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid, a cornrow up to the top of my head. So we're going to bend over at the waist. Let me just make sure that I'm still in frame. I don't think I am. It's hot. Okay. So we finished the back, and now we just want to do the front. What I'm going to do with the front is I'm going to do basically the same thing, but instead of a Dutch braid, I'm going to do a French braid, but it sits flatter to the head. French braid it back. Or you could honestly, you don't even have to French braid this back. You can just, pull it back into one. I do prefer to braid it back, just to make sure everything is safe and in its little protected place since we are going swimming. So that braid was pretty short, and we've reached to where we had our previous braid. So we're just going to take out that hair tie. We're just going to gather the entire kit and caboodle together. So I'm just going to let you guys get a look at the braid here and the braid at the back. And then we just grab sections of the hair and we just braid it. 5 braids, maybe 6, but like thicker chunky braids are fine. You just want to make sure to braid them pretty tightly, because you want to keep your hair safe in the water. Get to the end, I switch it to a twist,